Hello and welcome to our Over in the Ocean math. And we're going to do a couple of Over in the Ocean things today. So let's get started with the math portion. And I'm going to put my name up here, of course, so my hard work gets recognized. Alrighty, so we're going to start by making our own equation. So it gave us a sentence frame here. So it starts over here by saying over in the ocean. Over in the ocean in a coral reef lived blank octopuses, blank fish, and blank seahorses. So we get to pick how many of those that you want, okay? So you could pick 100 or you could pick just two. If I were you though, I'd pick smaller numbers so they're easier to add together because what we have to do is add all three of those animals together, okay? So don't pick something that's too big and crazy and hard to add. Okay, so let's see what it says again. Over in the ocean in a coral reef lived blank octopuses, blank fish, and blank seahorses. Wow, I can't believe all the amazing animals living over in the ocean. And then it has a space for us to fill in our numbers from up here in an equation and figure out what the answer is, okay? And you know what, Miss Griggs is so silly. It says right down here, by. So I should write my name there instead of up there. That's okay. By Ms. Griggs. I hadn't even noticed that it had that down there. Okay, so I think the first one is octopuses. Okay, I think that I'm going to do 3 octopuses. So I put 3 there. I'm going to start by putting 3 here because that's my first number. And then I'm going to put my little octopuses down here. Okay, I already had them ready. I'm going to stick these cute little purple guys up here. So there's 1 octopus. And 2 octopus. Actually, when I think that you have more than 1 octopus, I think they're called octopi, but it says octopuses here, so I could be wrong, but I think it's octopi. I'll have to look that up. All right, there's my 3. 1, 2, 3. Over in the ocean in a coral reef lived 3 octopuses, and there's my 3 right there. My next one is fish. I'm just going to do 1 little fish. So I put a 1 there. I've got to put a 1 there. And then I have my cute little fish here that I'm going to add to my ocean animal area there. Alrighty. 3 octopuses, 1 fish, and I think I'm going to do 2 seahorses. Okay, so I put the 2 there. Put the 2 there, and then I'm going to have to add 2 cute little seahorses down here. All right, and there's not a whole lot of room for these guys left there, so I'm going to stick them down here at the bottom. Aren't they pretty? There we go, and let me put a little extra stickum there for that guy. These little guys are not sticking too good for some reason. Okay, they're like, no, I want to swim away. Okay, so let me read it again. Over in the ocean in a coral reef lived 3 octopuses, 1 fish, and 2 seahorses. Wow, I can't believe all the amazing animals living over in the ocean. So I have 3 plus 1 plus 2. So I'm going to put my pluses in between. 3 octopuses plus 1 fish plus 2 seahorses equals, well, there's a couple of ways we could do this. We could count all the animals down at the bottom. So let's do that first. And I like to touch them to make sure that I've got them all. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals. Or I could get my handy dandy fingers ready. I start with 3. 1, 2, 3. I add 1 more. That's 4. And then 2 more. 5, 6. So I got the same answer both times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if I did it on my fingers, I got 6 also. So that must be correct. All right. 3 octopuses plus 1 fish plus 2 seahorses equals 6 sea animals all together living in the ocean reef. And I hope you've been enjoying all the ocean life videos, the shark video, the one about the coral reef. I hope that you enjoyed the one about the hole in the bottom of the sea. I love that one. It was so fun. So I hope you've been enjoying all those things. All right, so this is it for the ocean math for today. And join me in a minute for the over in the ocean writing. All right, thank you.